Hi, this is Anthony and welcome to my show where I look at various ways to increase your income as well as thoughts on investing in the stock market. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to invest in gold. But please remember, this is not financial or investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just somebody on YouTube providing entertainment. Before we start, could I get you to please click the subscribe button below? It would really help me out in building a following on YouTube. Thanks. Okay, here's the secret to buying gold, and I assume that you have a stock brokerage account of some type, presumably at a discount broker. There are three main exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are traded on various exchanges. The first one that I will mention is the Spider Gold Trust, ticker symbol GLD. This represents 1/10 of an ounce of gold and currently trades for about $170. If you don't even want to spend that much, there are the Spider Gold Mini Shares Trust, ticker symbol GLDM, and represents 1/100 of an ounce of gold. It currently sells for about $18 a unit. Another ETF backed by gold is iShares Gold Trust, ticker symbol IAU, and represents 1/50th of an ounce of gold, and currently trades at about $38. So that's it. If you really want to invest in gold, that's the easiest way to do so. And assuming you have a no commission brokerage account, then you can buy and sell those shares during exchange hours, Monday through Friday, excluding holidays, just as you would shares of stock. Now, this video is on how to buy gold, but before you invest a penny in a precious metal, I think you should really consider not doing it. In a previous episode that I produced, which is episode 28, I lay out an argument why warnings of hyperinflation are incorrect. And even though we have higher inflation now than we've had in a number of years, I show with graphs that precious metal prices do not outpace inflation. Again, I would encourage you to look at that video after this one. And if I cannot convince you not to invest in precious metals and you want to know how to inexpensively invest in silver, please look at episode 29 where I explain how to buy silver ETFs. Now, you may say to yourself, I don't want to own gold shares in my brokerage account. I want physical gold that I can put in my safe and hold in my own hands. I think for many people, especially those who don't actually own precious metals, they envision accumulating bars or ingots or coins. Maybe eventually they'll have a whole room 3 feet deep in gold coins like Scrooge McDuck, but I would argue against owning physical gold. Physical gold can be lost or stolen. When you buy it, you will usually pay a premium to the price of gold. If it's a coin, depending on what type of coin it is, the premium you pay can be higher or lower relative to other coins, simply based on where it was manufactured and what the design is, even though most gold coins, especially modern ones, are based on an ounce or a fraction of an ounce. The available venues for selling your physical gold may increase or decrease in the future, and you're pretty much at the whims of the dealer buying from you. And don't think that you can avoid the tax man by owning physical gold and then selling it to your local pawn shop or coin dealer. All legitimate shops are going to get your tax information when they buy precious metals from you, even if you bought it from them originally. And think about this. All those people selling you gold and silver and other precious metals, how do they want to be paid? In dollars. If they thought that gold or silver was such a valuable commodity to have, then why are they trading their valuable commodity to you for your depreciating fiat currency? So throughout this video, which I've been trying to keep short, I've tried to discourage you from investing in gold. That's because in doing my research for previous videos, I've concluded that long-term gold or silver is not a good investment. It's definitely not kept up with inflation. The people that argue that it's a good investment or hedge against inflation are either showing you misleading graphs, especially ones that are just looking at specific times that seem to justify their assertions, or else are trying to scare you into believing that it's a good investment and they of course have gold and silver to sell to you. Don't take my word for it. Do your own research. Use this as a starting point, but there are plenty of charts available on the internet on the long-term price of gold, on the long-term price of silver, on the inflation rate in the United States, on the relative values of the dollar, gold, silver, and equities over the long term. Certainly there have been periods of time in the past, and no doubt there will be occasions in the future, when investing or really speculating in precious metals for the short term can result in a profit, including one that is higher than the rate of inflation or other assets. There's nothing wrong if you want to spend time keeping an eye on precious metal prices and periodically getting in and out of them as a speculator. The odds are you'll be unsuccessful, but if it provides you entertainment, just like gambling and losing money at a casino provides entertainment for somebody, then there's nothing wrong with that if it's a very small part of your portfolio. So that's what I have to say on the matter, but what about your opinion? Do you own gold and or silver, or have been thinking about purchasing it? Did I change your mind or at least give you something to think about? I would love it if you would leave comments in the comment section below and let me and the other viewers know your opinion. And it's perfectly okay if you disagree with me. Here's your opportunity to convince me and the other viewers that I was wrong. Again, if you like this type of content and want to see more, it would really help me if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, please view my other videos, and if you like them, click the like button. I'm on Instagram at AnthonyRRMills. Thanks for watching and good luck with your investments.